is doing pretty cool. Yes, you know where you are. This is Peculiar Hair and Styles, where you see the latest in hairstyles trend around the world. Yes, sometimes you will get to see tutorial on how to achieve some of these styles. Hairstyles like twisting to cornrows, natural hairstyles, braiding for adults, kids, and more. So if you enjoy what we do here, you can support us by making sure you comment and like our video each time you finish watching. Share our video out to your family and friends. Yes. Make sure you put the bell notification to on so you don't get to miss any of our upload. Each time we upload, you will be the first to watch. Yes. So guys, stay tuned while we watch this video together. I'm going to be sitting right here with you guys and watch this video from the beginning to the end, okay? Yes. So friends, today's video you are watching kinky twist on natural hair, protective hairstyles ideas. So stay tuned and keep watching. How do you see the styles? I hope you get the inspiration you are looking for. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video as well. If you do, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Comment below, share and subscribe if you haven't done that already. I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Till then, continue taking care of yourself. Keep loving yourself. I love you too. Bye. You are the best. Bye.